everyone, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this little makeup look for you guys. It's mostly based on the eyes and the lips. I didn't show everything else that I used on camera, but that's like really basic stuff that you can see in any of my tutorials or in any of my get ready with me's. But in today's video, I'm using something that I've never used before ever. This is the first time I even tried it. So it's the NYX Love You So Mochi Eyeshadow Palette. This is so freaking cute, you guys. I really love how it looks. The colors are really cool. It's a little busted now because I've used it and I used it real hard. When I first started putting everything on, I was just kind of like, ooh. And after I got one whole eye done, I was really unhappy. And then I finished doing the rest of my makeup. And you know what? I'm actually really happy with it. I think it looks pretty good. It's very like 80s, I feel like my hair should be a lot bigger. Is that big enough? If you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep on watching. Okay, everything looks really crazy right now because I have my brows on and foundation and concealer and nothing else. So let's move on. So first I'm going to prime my eyes using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade. Really have to do one thing at a time. Hold on. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. And I'm going to use a little bit of my Airspun translucent powder to set it in place. The look we're going for today is going to be super colorful, and so I'm not going to use what I usually would use for my crease. And I think that's why a lot of my makeup looks always come out the same or really similar, because I use the same types of shade in my crease color, and since my eyes are hooded, that's mostly what you see unless I have my eyes closed. So I'm going to try out something a little different. I was really excited about using this yellow, but I don't think that's what we're going to go for today. We are going to go a little bit more bold with that pink. It's going to be really loud. We'll see how it goes. So I'm actually going to start with this color right here for the crease. None of the colors have names, so we're just going to call this one Champagne. And this is my crease color. And since it's so bright, I'm just going to take it into the inner corner as well. I'm so nervous about this, but I'm also really excited. So I'm really drawn to this shade right here. I don't know if I should just go straight in with that. You know what? We're just gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna take this fuchsia shade, and I'm taking it on an application brush. The texture of these are really interesting, but at the same time I don't feel like they're like super special for eyeshadows. I'm just going to start packing this on all over the lid. When I dip my brush into it, you can definitely see everything moving around in there. It's so weird. I don't know if it really adds anything to the eyeshadow being that way. What I can say is that it doesn't have a lot of fallout, which is great for a drugstore brand eyeshadow. I'm using this dry, by the way, and the color payoff is really good. I'm going to start blending this into the crease. That's so crazy. Taking this shade right down here, I'm going to add it right to the center. The two colors are really similar, and I think that they complement each other really well. I'm going to take more of the fuchsia shade. I'm just packing it on really heavy on the outer corner. I didn't consider that since it is the darkest color in the palette, it would probably be best for the outer corner to add depth, but I used it all over. So we'll see what happens. For the lower lash line, I think I'm going to use the yellow on the inner portion and then this teal on the outside. I'm just going crazy with color. We'll see how this goes. I'm overlapping the yellow with this teal shade. Kind of like the effect. No, I don't like the effect. Ooh, I'm not happy with that. I don't know, that looks weird. I think this is gonna look a lot better once it has eyeliner on it. So I'm going to work on this eye and then I'll be right back. I look freaking insane. I feel like I'm just going to name this like eyeshadow fail. I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna put it like in the center of my eye because because I feel like it needs help. And maybe this will agree to help. But nothing happened. Why can't I figure out how to use bright colors on my eyes? This is so bad! How does NYX tutorials do this? It's like, oh yeah, let's grab 50 freaking different bright colored eyeshadows and make them all work together. This isn't working for me. I'm gonna take this teal all the way in. Did that help? Nope. Made it worse. Onto eyeliner. This is the one eyeliner that I use. It's the Precision's Formula 2-in-1 eyeliner and serum in the color blow. Did I just kick this button? In the color like Black is Black or something. Can anybody hear like the disappointment in my voice about how disappointed I am about how this is going? It's so bad. I hope I like it more by the end, so I don't want to do all my makeup all over again. Okay, I think having black eyeliner helped it. My eyes is so hard. So I'm going to use my usual Wet n Wild eyeliner to line my waterline. Okay, so I am going to finish off the rest of my face other than my lipstick, and I'll be right back. Alright, I have my lashes on. Oh, there you go. Forgot to blend that out. There's been times where I've actually sprayed on my setting spray without blending that out. It hasn't ended well. And I was looking at my eyes, and I feel like I should add some of the fuchsia shade here to the outer corners. Right now, it does look unfinished to me. Yeah, I feel like that actually looks a whole lot better. Funny what one little detail can change. Finally onto lipsticks, and I'm having trouble choosing between 3 different colors here. So we have ColourPop's Viper, that's this one. We have Thursday, also from ColourPop. And then we have this lip stain that I got from Learning to Be Fearless's Fall Beauty Box. And it's from the brand called Laritzi, and it's in the color Deep Orchid. And they all look so pretty, and I don't know which one would go best with this look. I think I'm going to go with Viper. So I'm going to start off with lip liner, and this is in the color Fuchsia. Fitting. Do I need more blush? I feel like I need more blush. I use the Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. That's what I always use. Okay. And here is the completed look. You know what? I was not happy with it. I was really, really unhappy with it actually. But the further I got with the rest of my face, the more I like it. It's really weird, because I usually don't wear these kinds of looks. As you guys know, if you watch my channel, I'm always into like the burnt oranges and all the neutrals and nudes and like rusty colors, bright pink. It's not something that I put on my eyes, and I actually kind of like it. It's very, very 80s to me. I feel like this is really 80s. This is over the top makeup for me. But you know what? I am enjoying it. I'm gonna rock it for the rest of the day. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, that hurt. Like I was saying, I hope you guys really enjoyed this little get ready with me type of thing. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out multiple videos every week, usually from Thursday to Sunday. That's a lot of days. So I hope you guys stick around for those, because I would love to have you as part of my tiny little growing YouTube family. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.